Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to ripstick. Don't mind my tank top, don't roast me. I already know how weird it looks. But let's get right into the tutorial. First thing I'm going to talk about while you are ripsticking is how to get started, which is basically just pushing off. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, so look at my feet. So there's two ways people ride. So some people ride with their left foot up front, which is, I think that's the normal way. That's what most people use to ride. Push off with their right foot. But there's the funky form. It's okay if you have this form, just it's a bit different, where their right foot up front and the left foot is behind. Again, I'm not as good as that. I like the right form. It's just simple. So pushing off. There's two ways. This one's back foot and you push off with your front foot. I would not suggest this. It doesn't work as well. But front foot with back foot, push off with back foot, that works a lot easier. And I'll show you it better later, but that's all I wanted to say for the push off. Next thing I'm going to show you how to do is basically what keeps you going the whole way, which is the wiggle. Okay, so the wiggle is actually very simple. It's just movement of your feet / hips like this. You're just basically wiggling like this to make these twist and turn to make your board move with these wheels. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. Okay, so again, as I was saying, you can kind of see what I'm doing. I'm moving my feet sort of just back and forth and my hips side to side, which is making the board go. So yeah. Okay, so the wiggle, here's how you get started. So I held on to something and practiced wiggling like this. And that's kind of what gets you going, just moving your feet like this and your hips. And a way I like to think of this actually helps a lot. Oh, okay, sorry. The way this helps a lot is to, something that helped me a lot is think of you running up a hill sideways. Simple. You just go like kind of it's weird. Just like try to imagine yourself almost running up a hill sideways. That's what you pump with your arms kind of. But then once you get good, you can just sort of like go like that, Okay, but that's basically all for the wiggle. You just move your hips side to side and your legs kind of back and forth. Okay, so the next thing you want to do when you're ripsticking or when you're learning is practice balance. Again, you can use it by holding on to something simply. Just try to stay on and let go. But balance is easier when you're going faster. Don't go too fast though, because if you start to wobble, you're pretty hurt. But you want to try to balance as well as you can, because this requires a lot of balance and hard work. Like, balance is easy. Just start with maybe your arms out or something. It was hard for me to start, just like, I can maybe do a video of my sister trying to learn it, watching this video over the course of like a week and see if she gets better. But back to this. It's just very simple. Now I'm going to show you like how it looks when you're pretty good at ripsticking. Okay, turning. I'm sorry I forgot to add this, but here it goes. Turning is very simple. You just lean to the side where you want to go. But it depends. You lean back. So you usually lean back for going left and forward for leaning right. Or lean forward for going right. It's actually pretty simple, and I'll show you a video of all of them combined. Okay, so push off, wiggle, lean back to left, then I act like I'm running up a hill. I'll again lean back. Bam, you're good. Okay, now I'm going to show you if you're turning right and all of this combined. So I'm going to get off. Okay, so again, flip up your board, all of this, and you push off. Again, lean forward. Bam, that's how you ripstick. Just don't think that you're magically gonna have it. Just take these tips into consideration, and you should be able to learn it faster. So thank you guys for watching this video. If this helped you, please leave a like. It helps a lot. Even just watching the video, bam. So thank you guys, and if you want to see more videos by me, just subscribe. But anyway, see you guys later. Thank you.